Here's the message.
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northwestern Walker County, southeastern Marion County in northwestern Alabama, southwestern Winston County in northwestern Alabama, northeastern Fayette County until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Yeah. They said county, state, county, state.
A severe
What?
thunderstorm was located over Glen Allen.
They don't usually do that. Whoa. You didn't go off, but my abandoned 262 did. Yeah, my abandoned 262 went off. I don't really use it anymore. Welcome back to the channel, but you won't be seen too much.
Northwestern Walker County, southeastern Marion County in northwestern Alabama, southwestern Winston County in northwestern Alabama, northeastern Fayette County until 1
That was
p.m.
unusual.
Central Daylight Time.
They don't usually be like in northwestern Alabama. They usually just hear the county. Okay, that one's new. That usually happens on different channels, but it happened on my channel. Dang. Okay, I'll be back in the next SVR. That's just an assumption because Jefferson might be impacted by a storm. Let's just listen.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Winfield, Carbon,
Dang.
Brilliant.
Did y'all hear how many weather it is? What's going on?
Malibu, Eldridge,
Going off,
Ashbeck,
man?
Natural
Jeez.
Bridge, Tucker, Bosmore,
You could hear that
Albertville,
Bearcat
Central
just
Area,
barely.
Texas,
Hold on.
Holly Grove, and Lupton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm.
Ah.
Move indoors immediately.
Yeah, but you could hear the Uniden. Did you hear me went off? You didn't activate! Neither did you. Just so you can hear the siren, because I didn't decide to go off.